Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Elle. I am the CEO and principal designer here at Decorel. And Decorel, if you don't know, is an interior design based firm located in Washington, D.C., servicing the Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Virginia areas, though we have a lot of clients that are outside of our state. Now, this is a very fun video. This is our very first YouTube video, and we're making it a giveaway. So you need to watch this video in order to know what the giveaway is. Don't fast forward. You can't enter if you don't know what I'm giving away. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Please follow us on Instagram, and I will give you the rules for the giveaway towards the end of the video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I wanted to share some essential items that you need around your home. Coming from me as an interior designer, I have all these things in my home, but we also really utilize a lot of them in clients' home. And today I have about, how many items do we have here? I believe I have 7 items to share with you. And some of them you're gonna think, I don't get it, but I'm gonna demonstrate some of them to you so that you can understand why I think every household should have this. Whether you're in a house or an apartment, these are things that you can utilize around your space. So yeah, let's get right on into it. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the Conair fabric shaver. The Conair fabric shaver. And I know you guys are gonna think, what the heck, these, but again, I said these are essential things that you need around your home. I find this to be such a useful item, and I always tell clients to get it, especially when we get them linen fabrics. Do you have those fabrics that kind of have a little snag to them? And even your sweaters, sometimes when you have sweaters and you wash them, they form little balls around the fabric. This is perfect, the Conair fabric shaver. It's battery operated. You simply just put your battery in, you press the on and off button, and you use this grater part to shave your couch, basically. So you just place it on the couch and you move it around and you get all those little annoying balls out. I love that this is versatile. You can use it both in interior and also in your clothing. So it's a 2-for-1 deal. So I love this. I feel like this is a very key thing to have in your space. Item number 2 is a candle accessory pack. And you're probably wondering, what is this, Elle? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So I'm like a lover of fresh scents in my home, and I'm gonna show you something else that's gonna explain more about that. But I love candles, and I love expensive candles. I'm sorry. I feel like the cheaper the candle, the less burn time it has, and it's not able to fill your space. I like you to come into a space and it's inviting and it smells really good. Not like last night's dinner, but smells really good. And basically what this set does is it comes with 3 tools, and first one is a wick trimmer. I also love these because you can leave them out on the table and it looks really pretty. It sits really well. And this is the wick cutter. So typically when you burn your candles, they get really dark at the top, and you're not supposed to keep lighting that. So if you don't know that I'm telling you now, it's really not good for the environment, the air that you're breathing, to be breathing in that black smoke. So typically before you start burning any candle, you should cut the wick. And that helps with cutting down on the black smoke, but it also lets your scents come out much better. The other tool that comes in this set is the snuffer. So this is how you turn off your candle. You know, instead of blowing it down, you keep it on there for a while, and it keeps the smoke from going everywhere. It's really amazing. And the final tool in here is a scraper. I love this. You can use this to clean out the actual candle. So sometimes you'll have some black smoke or some black wicks in there. So you can use this. You can also use this to pick up the wicks. A lot of times when you're burning wax and you keep cutting down the wicks, it gets lost in the oil. So this helps you kind of pick it up. So it comes in a set of 3. I literally love this. I keep this on hand all the time. Amazing set. So item number 3 is something that you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for, but I live for this. This is the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. This is the lemon breeze scent. It's typically the one that I go for. I have to show you guys how this is used. This is an essential piece in my home. I have a white couch, a cream couch, and it's velvet. This gets anything out of my couch, and I'm going to show you guys by literally actually marking my couch and using this to get it out. And I know that I'm crazy, but I want to show you just how amazing this is. You can spill red wine in your carpet. This little bad boy is gonna get it out. Just spray it, let it sit, and simply use a damp cloth and push down on it. Same way you're gonna see me do my couch to show you guys just how good this works. It's amazing. It seems so simple and it's so inexpensive, but a lot of people don't know this isn't just for cleaning surfaces. It really will take a lot of stuff out of fabric. Now, I'm not sure if you can use it on every fabric, but I can tell you that it works great on velvet. So if you have velvet couches, if you have like a light colored rug, this is your go-to. I always have this on hand in my house, and not just for cleaning. So you might want to pick this one up. All right, the fourth item is probably the most expensive piece that I'm gonna show you. This is the Pura Home scent, and it's a 2 fragrance scent device. Basically, it comes in this really beautiful box here, and I'm obsessed. This is what the packaging looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna get too much into this because I'm gonna show you guys how it works. You plug this in, there's space for 2 scents for you to slide it in. And you can buy the scent on their online shop, and they have an app that you can download. I'm going to show you how the app works. It's amazing. You can have multiple of these in your home, and you name each device. So you can have one for your bedroom, your living room. You're going to see mine is going to be named for my bedroom, and it also comes with a nightlight feature. I love this. I don't care how old I am, I still need a little bit of light when I sleep, and typically I sleep with my TV on. This has changed that because you can set this on automatic mode. You can set which fragrance you want to be using that day. You can change the intensity. It's just amazing. And when you're ready to reorder, you can actually subscribe to them, and you get a cheaper price on the fragrances that you're purchasing, and I just love it. Right now in here, I'm gonna tell you the scents that I have. I have Santorini and Havana Vanilla, and you guys, I have burned through this. So for these 2 scents, I've been using them for about 2 months, and they're basically gone. So you're gonna see that it's very low. But in the package, I have another 2 scents that I am going to be using, and I love it. You can subscribe to this, and basically the scent gets automatically sent to you every month. You don't have to shop for it. You can shop around. Once you find your favorite scent, that's it, you're good to go. And you subscribe, and it gets sent on it. I just love that you can control it from your phone. If you're out, and maybe you're having guests come to your home, you can change the intensity. So if you have one by your entryway, you can change the intensity of the fragrance, and you can control it before you get home. When you get home, you have that beautiful welcoming scent. But I think it's really, really worth the price. Yeah, apparently it's one of the best scent devices, and you won't regret it. I love it. The 5th item is again, I told you guys this is gonna feel a little funny, but the 5th item is the Thin Eraser Mr. Clean Sheets. It comes in a pack. I know you guys have heard of the Mr. Clean blocks, but these are sheets like this, and this is amazing if you're a homeowner. Typically, when you purchase your home, the paint they put on your walls is called a flat paint. It's cheaper for the developer to use that because it's the least costly paint, but it's a nightmare for clients and my personal clients and people that I know who've just bought a home, because as you know, flat paint scratches easily. This is a lifesaver. You just put a little bit of water on this and you can wipe almost any stain off your wall. So shoe scuff marks on the wall, this gets it right out, and it's just amazing. I can't believe that people don't talk about it just enough. Such a simple thing, but so necessary. So necessary. And for those of you who just bought a home, you can thank me later for this one. Okay? The 6th item, again, is the Downy Wrinkle Release. Let me tell you guys, when I found out about this, I was so upset with myself because I didn't know why I hadn't purchased this yet. This is amazing for when we set up clients' homes, because sometimes it's really hard to steam downward when we're steaming their bed sheets and their pillows, sheets and stuff like that. This is amazing. If you are on the run, you can spray your clothes with this, spread it out with your arms, and it literally gets all the wrinkles out. I don't know what they have in this. It cannot just be water in a spray, but they have something in here that just makes it amazing. This is in the crisp linen scent, and it just smells so good. So when you buy your bed sheets, I know you guys have those folds in your pillowcases. This will get it right out. Just spray your pillowcase, use your hands to spread it apart, and it gets it out. It's literally amazing for such a cheap and inexpensive price. I love this. You need to get this if you don't have it. And last but not least is another Conair item. This is the Conair hand steamer, and this has saved my team multiple times when we're in clients' homes for steaming their curtains, steaming their bed sheets or their bedding or anything like that. This is also amazing for your clothes. I love that some of these pieces you can use not just around your home but in the clothes that you're wearing. This is amazing. The drip level is very minimal. That we've gone through about 5 steamers. My team can attest to that, but we find that this one is probably the best. It comes with a little compartment that you pull out and you fill with water. Has a little security latch here so that it doesn't come out on its own. The only thing is that typically if you want to do like really large surfaces, it's not really that much water in here. But the cord is long enough so you're able to go all the way up your curtains if you need to steam your curtains. It's just absolutely amazing. This is also obviously goes without saying, really great on clothes. So if you are not a happy iron person or ironing person, I think give steaming a try and you're going to love it. I love this. We have multiples of this in our toolbox when we go for client installs, and it just works magic. I love it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Those are the items, and I am so happy to announce that we are going to be giving one winner all of these items. And with the Pura scent, we're also going to include 2 months worth of Pura fragrance for you. So if you would like to win all these items, this is all you have to do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel here, or if you're watching this on Instagram, please click the link and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you're following us on Deckerel. All the information for this will be listed in the description. But if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you're following us on our YouTube. Share this video on your Instagram stories and just tag 3 people in this video so that they can watch. We're trying to grow our channel. We're trying to grow our reach so that we can bring more content to you. So those are the rules, as simple as it is. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on our YouTube channel, share this video on your Instagram stories, and tag 3 people in this video on Instagram so that they can watch it as well. All are free to enter, including clients, and we will pick a winner by the end of this week. Please don't message us. We will pick a winner and announce it on our channel. Yeah, good luck to you. And we're going to be bringing you more content like this, so stay tuned. And we're going to be doing so many giveaways. Obviously, I'll total the prices of each item on the screen so that you can understand the worth of these things. But I promise you, even though some of them are inexpensive, they work miracles. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.